Hello, this is Lauren speaking, and welcome to this video. In this video, we're going to be taking a look at the birth chart of Sadhguru, who is a very popular guru on YouTube and all over the world, actually. And interestingly, he had an emergency surgery for a brain bleeding on March 17th. Just last month, 2024. So we're going to look at the astrology because it is so simple and so precise actually to the day of his surgery, and also some astrology leading up to his surgery, just to show you how accurate astrology actually is. What inspired me to do this video also is that I recently heard about this medical emergency that he had, and I listened to a video of his just a few days ago on April 21st where he was talking about his health crisis and what happened to him. And the final words of that presentation, he made a very offhanded, derogatory remark regarding astrology, and I thought, wow, okay, well, let's just look and see how accurate is the astrology in his chart. So let's take a look at it. He was born, and we have an exact birth time for him, but he was born on September 3rd, 1957 at 11:54 p.m., just 6 minutes before midnight in Mysore, India. And you can find that information on astro.com. The birth time comes from a birth certificate, so it's extremely accurate. Now, notice in his natal horoscope, this is the one aspect configuration we need to see. His natal sun at 10 degrees of Virgo is exactly square the ascendant. And remember that the ascendant is the health center, the health body. The sun is the vital energy, the vitality of our identity. And therefore, that could be, when triggered, that could be a potential health alarm for Sadhguru. And as it would be, and as he explained, the surgery was on March 17th, 2024. And exactly on the day, March 17th, 2024, transiting Saturn was precisely square to his ascendant. And just 2 weeks before, less than 2 weeks before, on March 9th, transiting Saturn was opposed the sun. Now, any astrologer or a good practicing astrologer or student should know that when transiting Saturn is opposed the natal sun, this is one of the most challenging aspects in astrology. The person is about as far away as where they would like to be, with many different things. But here we're talking about health, okay? So that is absolutely an alarm, and it's precise to the date of his surgery. Now, as Sadhguru explained, leading up, he said he had, quote unquote, excruciating pain 6 weeks before the surgery. And he also said that his left leg was acting funny. Now, if we go back 6 weeks, this takes us to February 4th, 2024. And it just so happens that transiting Pluto was square Neptune for the first hit 4 days later on February 8th, 2024. And when we have transiting Pluto to Neptune or transiting Neptune to Pluto, this is always the potential of a serious health issue that could be developing. And he'll have this transiting Pluto square Neptune running throughout the whole year of 2024 until December 2024, mid-December. So what I would like to just say here is that the astrology is beyond extremely accurate, not only for when his excruciating pain began 6 weeks before the surgery, but also on the exact date of the surgery when transiting Saturn was square his ascendant. Now, just curiously, I went back to take a look. Was there anything else developing to lead up to a brain bleed in March of 2024? And we know with medical astrology and the work that I do that usually we check about 2 to 3 years before physical symptoms appear to see what is going on. And lo and behold, so obvious, again, that natal sun square the ascendant. In 2021, transiting Pluto was in hard aspect to the sun, sesquiquadrate, that's 135 degrees, and then transiting Pluto will go on to sesquiquadrate the ascendant throughout 2022. So likely something has been going on with Sadhguru since about 2021 that has been a potential health, let's say, alarm for his system. And he did make reference to the fact that he had been overworking a lot and had commitments to speak in different places around the world, etc., etc. So therefore, the astrology is so accurate and so precise for his natal chart, and I hope that Sadhguru will have a good astrologer maybe show him that when he has transits hitting off his sun, natal sun square ascendant, he needs to be very careful about his well-being, his health, his vitality, etc., etc. And that astrology is a precise science. Okay? So anyways, just want to make that point and want to share this as an example of medical astrology and how accurate astrology is and how astrology could help save people's lives ahead of time when we see the potential possibility leading up to a critical illness situation. Okay? So thank you so much for listening. God bless. And I appreciate you giving this a thumbs up. If you like it, subscribe to my channel, and see you on the next video. Thank you so much. Bye-bye now.